Again, a great example of a modern farmhouse here that has differences of the exterior facade. The reason why I like talking about this particular project that we had previously is, we're not just a modern contemporary manufacturer that focus on just like large glass houses, but we also have, depending on where your market is, where you might have the option or the client's preference of simulated divided light. So the simulated divided lights that we have, both in classic and performance, are flat bars. We actually hand apply these to the double pane glaze within the unit. There's a spacer bar that goes in between the two glasses so that you don't clearly see glass all the way through. The simulated divided light helps stop your eye with that. So we have a 7/8 bar here, or we have an 1.5" flat bar for the option. So you can clearly see that this is a great example of what a simulated divided light look like. Now your bars are customary depending on your client's preference and what type of look you're going for. For example, this is a 2 wide, 2 high rec set unit here with the simulated bar in between. So you have simulated bar on the exterior and simulated bar on the interior as well.